Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make numbers out of dollar bills. I've had a few subscribers recently request a tutorial on one of my past graduation money lay videos on how to make the other numbers. Don't worry guys, I actually read your comments. So I figured I would make this video for you guys on how to origami all of the numbers so that it can be used for any graduation money lays in the future. Each one of these origami money numbers is going to require only one single bill. Once you get started in the folding process, make sure that you make all of your creases as tight as possible, as this will help everything stay a little bit more flatter, and you're going to want that for whenever you place it onto your graduation lay. These first few steps that you're seeing here are going to be repeated for every single number. So once everything is folded into the middle, you're going to have a piece that looks like this. It's just going to be one long strip. Each number will use this strip as the first step. For this step, I'm just kind of eyeballing where to put the creases, but the gist of this number is that it's a circle. So you want to try and make a simplified circle that matches up at the end as best as you possibly can. For this last crease, just make sure that your starting and ending points meet up, and then stick one of the points into the pocket of the other, and you're going to want to put like a book or something heavy down onto the numbers once you're finished with them so that it maintains its shape. Okay, so whenever you finish folding whichever numbers you need to, as you can see by all the numbers that I folded right here, right now, are gonna be a little wonky looking, but that's why I say that you need to put the numbers that you do fold under something flat and heavy so that they'll maintain their shape. In addition to using something flat and heavy, I also suggest using tape as well, just so that the money numbers will help maintain the shape while it's on the graduation lei. This is how the numbers are going to look after being flattened by this stack of paper for like an hour. As you can see, they're a little bit wonky, so this is where I suggest using tape, especially if you're pressed for time. So what I do is I just snip off a little piece and I make like these smaller pieces just like this. And especially for the number 8, I usually stick them right here and right here. For the best results, you would use the tape on the numbers and the book to flatten the tape and the folds down, and then they would turn out like this. Alright, I hope y'all found this tutorial to be helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment down below, and I'll get back to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.